This kid has just wanted to sit in this tent with me the whole time.
It's a nice tent.
I know, but such a nice day. Huh, bubbies? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us for another daily vlog. If you enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button
Down below.
Today is super exciting. I've been looking forward to this vlog for so long. We got sent a product from a seller. I'll link their Amazon store below, but they sent us a beach tent to try out. So we've been waiting and waiting for like a warm, non-rainy day, and it's in the 80s today. So we're headed off to the lake to try this thing out. It's all packed up. I think it's like a pop-up one.
Did you grab the stakes out?
Yeah, I did. So we are packing up the car right now, and yeah, we're gonna have a fun day at the lake. And we are off. It's like an hour away where we are going, but the weather is still beautiful there. So we have a car full of brothers and kids, and just keep going straight. And so we need to stop for gas, grab some energy drinks probably, and then get there. What'd you get?
Got you a Red Bull. I got a Cicha protein bar.
A good one?
Yeah, my favorite one.
Oh, the best one.
The very breast
I used to live off these.
There's Lake Key Whistle.
We're here. It doesn't look very busy today.
There's like 3 people with boats.
Yeah. We're at the lake.
Where are we at though?
Yes. It's already 77 out, so that's nice.
That's in the shade.
Yeah.
Oh, we got private beaches for years here.
Yeah, there's normally, in the summer, like you can't even find a spot for miles. But look at this. There's literally nobody else here. It's so nice. Look how clear the water is. I love it.
Now we can go swimming.
But let's set this tent up, see how it does. Ooh,
Oh, it's upside down.
this thing is huge.
Holy.
What in the world? This is like a whole tent. Okay, okay. I see you. I love how it has this thing on the front.
Yeah, you can use this as like
Make a little shade.
like a shade if you want.
Yeah.
That setup was easy.
How does it feel? Good quality?
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks way nicer than our other one.
This is the way in.
It has like a little bug net.
No shoes on in tent.
New shoes and
Oh, these all fold up so you can get a nice breeze going.
oh, let's do that then.
It's nice.
What?
It's like an actual tarp.
I love that. You want to go in, Pay?
Oh, wipe your feet off!
Okay, let's go down to the water. Whoa. Is it cold? Oh, it's freezing.
No, it's not. I'm about to go take my shirt off and jump there. Nathan,
Okay.
I already did take my shirt off.
You like
Oh,
it,
it's
Pay?
cold.
I know, that's what I said. These kids don't care though. Alright, we're just relaxing in here, eating some lunch, watching the boats go by. Do you like this tent?
Yeah, can I come in?
Yeah, wipe your feet off. Just brush them off. But David's gonna set up all the stakes and set up the little shade out front.
Like this for you?
Yeah. I love that it has pockets on the side because that's where I've been keeping my camera and phone so they don't get all sandy. And we got a sunroof. You see the sky? Yeah. Okay, this is the final setup, I think. I love this little shade. It's not very sunny today.
Windy, we could put stakes all around the bottom and everything.
Yeah, but we got all our stuff. Don't mind my kids' lunch mess. And this would be nice to go camping with even. You're right. We should do it someday. What are you gonna catch? You're catching a fish? Wow. Daddy can't catch anything. She's helping you. Good job, Pei. Oh, what is that? What kind of fish is that?
A zero one is gonna get you.
Oh no. Are you making a water slide?
There is a water slide. We already made one. There's a slide, but this one looks funner.
This is like made of clay, so it's really slippery. Oh my word.
Yeah, we all were going down it.
Be careful. Ready?
I bet down it once. It's so funny at the bottom. I know, because we take a joke.
Here comes Pei. She probably needs help up here.
Hey, you want to come? Mommy, I want you.
You want to try come up here? This kid has just wanted to sit in this tent with me the whole time.
It's a nice tent.
I know.
We're gonna need to clean it out.
He'll like run out, run back in and grab a snack and
I
then,
really love how the tarp on the bottom.
but such a nice day. Huh, bubbies? Percy made a friend. He's like, baby, do you want another little brother? Huh? Should mommy have a new baby? Maybe.
Yeah, right, Oreo.
Yeah, right. What, Nene?
You will never have another baby.
Why? Do I have too many kids?
Yeah. Two's enough.
2 is enough. He says that even though my parents have 11.
Two's enough.
Alright, I was peacefully taking a nap in here. Someone woke me up. You said you want to go? We've been here for a couple hours now. These kids need a nap. What does he have? You want to go night-night? Yeah? Yeah, we have fun. Okay. Alright, that took him like 2 minutes to put up, so that's nice. But Pepe, you ready to go? Yeah, let's go. There's nothing like a good day on the lake to put the kids for a nap.
I'm next.
Oh, you're next. I know. So tired. But I fell asleep in that tent. Just listening to the waves. But I guess I'll see you when we get back home so that I don't wake these kids up. Oh, comes home from the lake and goes and jumps in the pool. Crazy kids.
Breaks the diving board. Oh!
Oh, there he
Pulls
goes.
his shorts up.
What, you almost lose your shorts?
Yeah.
But, oh yeah, this is the umbrella we got.
I love this table.
I want one. When we move, you should build me one.
An 8-foot like this?
Yep. Alright, we took some much needed saunas, washed up, got all that sand out of everything.
Yes.
But David has plans. What are you doing in the morning?
I'm going trout fishing.
So he's about to run to Walmart and get everything for that. We were gonna go on a date tonight, but we decided to just stay home and play this game we got from Target. It's like a couples game. We're not really strangers. I don't know. I saw it on TikTok, so hopefully it's fun. But I guess we're gonna end the vlog so we can do that.
So this is where we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys for liking,
Commenting,
sharing,
subscribing,
doing everything you guys.
do.
We
Appreciate you.
and we will see you
Tomorrow.
good night.
Bye, friends.
We're going to the zoo. Just kidding, we're going to the lake.
Really?
Yeah, Oreo.
Here comes Paisley.
Perfect end of the vlog. Dirty tools.